Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Luthi. This week I'm building a giant Jenga set. Now I know they used to be big back in 2015, 2016. I actually used to sell a lot of them on Etsy. This time my sister asked me to build one to give to a friend of hers who's a Michigan State fan. Let's see how I build this one. To start off, I just put a stop block here at 10.5 inches from the blade and start cutting. To cut the 54 pieces, it takes exactly 6 2x4s. Now on to the long, tedious task of sanding. I'd much rather play this game. Now with all 54 blocks sanded up, now would be a great time to just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now since this is a Michigan State fan, I decided to paint the ends green and white. 27 white, 27 green. Now with them all painted up, I just take them outside and I'm using a boiled linseed oil to coat them. Now this does two things. One, it protects the wood itself, but also it will make them slide easier whenever the game's being played. Now here I'm just cutting out the pieces for the carrying case. Simple box. It'll carry all 54 pieces. These nice handles on, and this thing is almost done. I'm gonna do a little Shosugi-ban finish on this. I think it turned out really well. Let me know what y'all think of the video in the comments. Oh hey, just out here racing some RC cars with this giant Jenga set you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. So I'm going to get back to this. You guys go out and have a great day. Try and make something awesome. Alright, don't talk trash. Alright. Don't make me knock you down in front of your kid.